emissions related to energy consumption rose to a historic high of 33.1 gigatons CO2 in 2018. The energy generation sector was responsible for almost two-thirds of the total rise in emissions. China, India, and the United States caused 85% of the net increase in emissions. Germany, Japan, Mexico, France, and the United Kingdom reported a decline in their emissions. The International Energy Agency (IEA) found that carbon footprints from the use of coal were responsible for 30% of the 1 degree Celsius increase in global average temperature. This finding put coal at the top spot for driving the increase in global temperatures. Asia operates a majority of the world's coal-fired power plants. However, government policies encouraging the switch from coal to gas helped avert almost 95 miles CO2 emissions. Without the switch, emissions would have increased by 15%. To learn more about carbon footprints of energy consumption, check out the link in the description. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you so much for watching.